Well, I mean, I think it's cool. And like for the price, I'm like, hey dude, you know what I'm saying? Why not? So I'm just gonna open it. Wow. So essentially what this is, and the reason why I did this, whenever companies email me or like small Amazon sellers, I try to pick items that are like conventional or like, you know what I'm saying, like useful, and they're not super expensive, if that makes sense, whatever it is. In this case, I just thought it was cool because the screen at the bottom, it's literally, I mean, it says C4, so obviously it's packing heat. I use rechargeable batteries all the time, but they're like 6 years old. So now I have a docking station with the screen on it, and it apparently blows up. But the cool thing is, it's not just for like one type of batteries. I see A, AA, AAA. It has a car adapter. Yes, 4 different charge current types. Cool. So like I said, try to pick stuff that's like cheap. So it's only 30 bucks. It's actually cool. So you got the. No one reads these. Holy shit, that's huge. Wow, that's huge. Okay. Well, I mean, kind of, but not really if you think about it. That's it. It has the screen on the bottom, and then you can have whatever the fuck you want in here. It has different, like these move up and shit, depending on what battery you're trying to charge. So that's handy. There's a USB at the top, and then there's the the charger for the device. So it's not one that you plug into the wall, thank God, because those are actually really annoying. So you can literally use this in the car if you want, the car adapter, and then you have the actual brick to charge the fucking thing. Now, they didn't send me any batteries, so you can't see this, but it's on. I don't have any batteries to like plug this in. It works. It's only 30 bucks. Links in the description.